Budget LS Factor 5 Roadster gas pedal coming right up. So when I bought my engine, I bought the complete engine, intake to pan, full brackets and accessories, full wiring harness, tack module, and this gas pedal. This is obviously a drive-by wire, electronic wire, plugs in right here. Unfortunately, I've determined this isn't, just like this, going to fit into the Roadster, mostly because of this big jog that this pedal takes, which would put the mounting surface here right through the steering column. I thought about modifying this. I did try and take this apart and to see if I could separate this pedal here and try and figure something out, but I'm sure somebody who's got way more skills than I do could easily make this work and modify it. But ultimately, I went online to try and find an aftermarket solution, and it looks like the only game in town is Locar. They do offer a direct replacement for a hot rod universal mount application, and it wasn't cheap, that's for sure, but I didn't really have any choice. So that's what that is. Let's get it open and see what it is. Got some loose looks like loose nuts in there. They kind of move a little bit. Huh. Well, let's compare this connector. Boy, that looks different, so I'm gonna have to adapt it. I don't know, is that the same number of pins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they're both 6 pins. Alright, so it looks like I am going to have to use that. Yeah, that's definitely different. Splice into my existing plug. Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Alright, let's check out this pedal portion. So overall, I'm really pleased with this. It looks like it's going to mount up no problem, as you can see from the video. The only issue is probably the length of that pedal. If I can get something shorter, it'll fit in there a little better. And when I say shorter, I mean the length here. And when I look at the box of this pedal, it does say XLD, steel, spring-loaded throttle, finish is chrome. So maybe this is the extra large and I can get something that has a shorter arm on there. But I'm gonna give Locar a call, see if I can't find a different one and have it on its way. Other than that, thanks for watching.